Ah, the fire brigade. Burke's cool kids.
God, I wish that were me.
But they're nothing without their captain. The shining star.
Help!
Whee! The one that smokes them all. Astrid.
Wait a minute, what the hell?
What?
So what's the first thing you're gonna need?
A shield!
Shield, yeah! Shields are good for another thing. Noise!
4 shots left.
Yeah, we're pretty much gonna be stars of this thing. Almost like we were meant to be together.
It's an elimination game, genius. There's only one top slayer.
Hadouken! You're done!
3 shots.
Looks like it's just you and me, huh?
Not even close, baby.
What do you mean?
Hey! Eyes on me!
Yes! Well done, Astrid! 2 shots left!
It was at this moment that he knew.
Why would I read words when I can just kill the stuff the words tell me stuff about?
You can ask me anything. Stop following me. How about now? Try me now.
Absolutely.
So, sounds like a gruesome, grisly good time.
Huh? Criminal offensive side eye.
Reddit. Stay out of my way, Hiccup.
How could this happen to me?
Hiccup!
Huh?
Down!
Three, two, one, go!
Oh, save yourself! I'll take care of this. Oh.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Not my fault, Astrid. I got distracted by the light in your Bye, have a great time.
Yes! Well done, Astrid! Nothing like giving them a taste of their own medicine.
You know, I'm kind of glad we got partnered.
Don't care. Still don't care.
This girl's gotta stick together.
I don't care.
Until I have to take you out.
So, are we done today? Just because I have some things I need to, Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.
That's suspicious.
Nope.
Psych!
So I am confusion.
No more of your tricks. I'm taking top slayer today.
Yeah, okay, that's your yours top slayer away.
What?
Sorry.
Last chance. Make it count.
Come on, Astrid, you! Come on, Hiccup! Come on!
Huh?
Glad to see she's handling him gracefully.
Elder Gothi has made her decision. You, top slayer, will be...
Nope. Huh?
Hell yeah! NANI?
Run! Run!
No! Twinkles, no! Up! It's okay! She's a friend! She's a friend!
I don't want to do this no more.
We're dead. explain. Just let us show you. Please. Astrid.
A few moments later.
Toothless, let's take her down. Gently. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile!
Please just make it stop! Toothless, I'm sorry! Okay. Then, what do we do?
Just give me until tomorrow. We'll figure it out.
That's for kidnapping me. And that's for everything else.
My heart. I loved her.
Oh, well, that monster burned all of our ships, so...
Hiccup!
What did I do this time? Oh! Ow!
That's for scaring me.
Okay, is it always gonna be like this?